All right, let's say you want to get some reviews from your customers and you want to do it, you're working from your desktop or your laptop. You just go to your website. So this is one of my clients right here. You go to your website, you scroll to the bottom of your website, and in the footer, no matter what page you're on, you're going to see My Biz Reviews Dashboard. So you're going to click on that link that says My Biz Reviews Dashboard, and it's going to open you up into your own My Biz Reviews dashboard. Now you got a couple of options here. Option number one is you could copy the URL to the clipboard, right? And then you can just paste it anywhere you want to paste it. So you can go into your email, your Outlook, your Gmail. You can go into your Messenger, your private, no matter whatever. You just copy and paste the link, and then once you copy and paste the link, it's going to take them to your landing page here. And your landing page here gives them an option to choose 1 star if they're not happy, and we're gonna ask them, hey, we want you to be happy. Let us know what happened. We're going to try to avoid that going live online. But if they go to that same landing page and they give you a happy review, then we want it to go live. They're going to have the option. Say they click on Google, it's going to automatically not only take them to Google, but it's literally going to open right up. If we give it a second here, it should open up the deep link. All right, well, it's making me look bad here. I think it's because it's recording. That's why Google's not letting it do that. But it takes them right to Google where they can then just click on reviews. Yeah, the recording is stopping. The fact that I'm recording is stopping Google. But if it wasn't for that, we would get the pop-up right from Google. And then or they can give a video testimonial or private feedback. If they give private feedback, then it's private positive feedback, right? So they always have that option either way. Now, once and again, they would get the pop-up from Google if Google wasn't thwarting me because I'm recording the screen right now. So the other way that we can do it here is, again, if we go to our dashboard, is you can simply click this. Now, you cannot request a review via text message from here. You can only do that from your own cell phone, which will be demonstrated in another video. But you can request a review through email from here. And it's going to open up whatever your email app is, and look here. Look at that. It completely opens up and shows it types everything. It types the subject line. Please tell us how we did. And this is customizable. This is our standard sort of thing here. If you want this changed, we can modify this for you. But it's going to ask them there, and the email is going to have that same link. So again, everything goes back to that same landing page, no matter how you get it to them. So if you see if we copy that from the email, or if they were to click on it in their email, it's going to take them to that same landing page to give them that opportunity right there. And oops, I closed my okay, so I'm going to discard that. I'm not going to send it, but you can see it does all the work for you. Another way that you can get reviews is you can just tell people, hey, go to my website, right? Just give them your website, right? So this one forwards, so in this case it's Naughty Docks and Lifts Co., and it forwards right to their Our Town's Best landing page. But if they go to your website and scroll down, they can not only see this scrolling review of happy customers, and these guys just got started with me, so we're gonna get them some more reviews. I gave them their first review, but we're gonna click on Review Us, and again, it's gonna take them to that same landing page. So no matter what, there's 3 different ways they can click on it from there themselves. You could just say, go to my website, scroll down, click on Review Us. You could say, you could go to the dashboard, copy and paste the link, or you can request a review through email.